Step-by-step guide, how I grew from 0 to 3,000 plus YouTube subscribers using Smart AI Plus strategy. Step 1. Start with a clear niche. What I did. I chose the automotive niche, specifically trending car tech, new vehicle releases, and smart driving tips. This helped attract a targeted audience who are passionate about cars. Why it's important. YouTube's algorithm prefers niche-focused content. If your videos are all over the place, it's hard to build a loyal viewer base or get recommended. Tip. Pick a sub-niche in a broader topic, e.g., car tech and automotive or AI tools and tech. Step 2. Build a viral content calendar. What I did. I created a 30-day content calendar that included viral car tech topics, safety features, and trending models. I grouped content by weekly themes to maintain consistency. Why it works. Weekly themed videos train the algorithm to recognize your expertise and keep your audience coming back. Pro tip. Plan content at least 7 days in advance. Use ChatGPT or other AI tools to generate titles, scripts, and ideas faster. Step 3. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. What I did. Every short starts with a strong 3-second hook like, ever seen a car heal itself? Tesla just changed autopilot forever. This grabs attention and reduces swipe-away rates. Why it's important. The first 3 seconds determine whether viewers stay or scroll. Higher retention, suck more reach. Use this formula. Start with shock, stat, or question. Keep it visual plus. Include text on screen. Match audio with excitement. Step 4. Post at the right time. What I tested. I tested different time slots for shorts and long-form videos. These worked best. Shorts, weekdays 11 a.m., 1 p.m., weekends 9 a.m., 11 a.m. Long-form Tuesday to Thursday, 5 p.m., 7 p.m., Sunday 11 a.m., 2 p.m. Why timing matters. Posting when your audience is active boosts the chance your video gets picked up by the algorithm within the first hour. How to find best time for you. Go to YouTube Studio. Analytics audience. When your viewers are on YouTube. Step 5. SEO optimize every video. What I did. For every video I wrote, SEO title, with keywords, plus curiosity. Description, keyword rich, plus includes a hook tags, mix of trending, niche, and competitor tags. Why it works. YouTube indexes titles, tags, and descriptions. Good SEO helps you get found in search and recommendations. Example tags, bars, car tech. Tesla 2025. YouTube growth, how to grow YouTube channel. AI tools for content creation. Step 6. Use eye-catching thumbnails, even for shorts. What I did. I created thumbnails that use bold text, show a clear image or face, use contrast colors. Why thumbnails matter. Even for shorts that appear in the feed, thumbnails improve CTR, click-through rate, on your channel page and suggested videos. Step 7. Promote on social media. What I did. I repurposed shorts on Instagram Reels and TikTok. I also posted teaser images and car trivia on Instagram stories. Pro tip. Use free tools like Canva or CapCut to repurpose content quickly. Step 8. Engage with comments and use CTAs. What I did. I replied to every comment and used strong calls to action like, which car tech blew your mind? Follow for more insane updates. Why it's important. YouTube boosts videos with high engagement. Plus, comments help build community. Step 9. Track what's working. What I watched. In YouTube Studio, I tracked audience retention, click-through rate, CTR, views from shorts feed versus search. What I improved. I doubled down on topics that got higher retention and added variations to see what performed best. Step 10. Consistency over perfection. What I did. I uploaded almost daily or at least 4 times per week. Some videos flopped, others took off. Why it matters. The more data you give YouTube, the better it understands who to show your videos to. Bonus tip. Use AI for speed and strategy tools. I used ChatGPT for video ideas and scripts, Canva for thumbnails and reels, CapCut for editing shorts, YouTube Studio for analytics and timing. Growing on YouTube isn't about going viral overnight. It's about showing up with value, using smart tools, and staying consistent even when views are low. If I could grow from 0 to 3,000 plus subscribers using the right content, timing, and AI support, so can you. Start with one video, Apply what you've learned here and commit to 30 days of intentional content. You'll be amazed at how quickly momentum builds when strategy meets consistency. Your audience is waiting. Go hit publish.